Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about solving quadratic equations by completing the square. So, proceed agad tayo sa ating example number 1. Okay, so x squared minus 2x minus 2 equals 0. Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito, si x squared minus 2x, kopyahin muna natin yan. Then si negative 2, i-transpose natin sa right side. So from negative, magiging positive na yan. Okay. Then next is, kopyahin muna natin si x squared minus 2x. Then mag-add tayo both sides by the square of 1/2 of the coefficient of x. So, ano ibig sabihin yan? So, 1/2. Okay, tapos yung coefficient of x na negative 2. Negative 2 yung coefficient ni x, di ba? Then, square natin yan. Okay? So, yan ang ibig sabihin ng the square of 1/2 of the coefficient of x. So, simplify natin ito. So, this is 1 times negative 2. So, this is negative 2 over 2. Then, squared. Okay? Then, equals, this is negative 1 squared. So, i-simplify natin yan. Negative 1 times negative 1, that is positive 1. So, therefore, mag-add tayo dito ng 1 sa left. Dito rin sa right, mag-add din tayo. So, 2 plus 1. Okay? So, simplify muna natin yung nasa right side. So, x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals 3. Okay, ngayon, i-factor natin ito si x squared minus 2x plus 1, squaring the binomial. So, this is x minus 1, okay, squared, equals 3. Okay, then, extracting the square root, alisin natin itong square dito, lipat natin sa kabila. So, this is x minus 1 equals positive negative square root of 3. Okay? Then, x minus 1 equals, separate natin yan, that is positive 3, or positive square root of 3. Yung isa, x minus 1 equals negative square root of 3. Then, i-transpose natin ito si negative 1 to the right side. So, magiging x equals 1 plus square root of 3. Yung isa naman, x, transpose natin. So, from negative, magiging positive. Okay, positive 1. Then, minus square root of 3. Okay? So, madali lang itong example na to. So, proceed tayo sa example number 2. So, solve quadratic equation 2x squared minus 3x minus 2 equals 0. So, meron tayong coefficient ni x dito na 2. So, ang gagawin natin dyan, we have to divide both members, okay, of the equation by the coefficient of x na 2. So, kopyahin muna natin yan si 2x squared. So, minus 3x minus 2 equals 0. So, i-divide natin siya by 2 kasi yung coefficient ni x. Okay? Divide din natin yan by 2. Kahit si 0, i-divide natin yan by 2. The result is 0. So, pwedeng hindi mo na siya i-divide. Kasi 0 din ang result niyan. So, i-cancel natin itong 2. So, that is x squared minus 3 halves or 3 over 2 times x minus 1. Kasi negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1 equals 0. Then, i-transpose natin ito si negative 1 sa right side. X squared minus 3 over 2x equals positive 1. From negative, magiging 1 na yan. Okay, then, x squared minus 3 over 2, kopyahin muna natin yan, then plus. So, ang i-add naman natin dito, yung kanina, yung the square of 1/2 of the coefficient of x. Ang coefficient ni x is negative 3 over 2. Okay, dito tayo sa taas ha. 1/2 times negative 3 over 2. Okay, then yung square. The square of 1/2 of the coefficient of x na 3 over 2. Then simplify natin yan. 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. 2 times 2 is 4. Then huwag kalimutan yung squared. Okay? Then equals 3. Ibig sabihin yan, i-double natin yan. Okay? Si 3/4, i-double natin yan. Pwede mo i-diretso, pwede rin hindi, ha? So equals 3, negative 3 times negative 3, that is positive 9. Over 4 times 4 is 16. So, i-add natin dito yan, si 9 over 16, both sides. Okay? Dito rin sa right side, i-add din natin yan, plus 9 over 16. Okay? So, kopyahin muna natin ito si x squared minus 3 over 2x plus 9 over 16 equals, simplify natin to. So, di ba, merong over 1 dyan. So, kunin natin yung LCD is 16. So, 16 divided by 1 is 16 times 1 is 16. Kopyahin natin yung plus sign. So, 16 divided by 16, 1 times 9 is 9. Okay? Pwede pa dito sa baba. X squared minus 3 over 2x plus 9 over 16 equals 16 plus 9 is 25 over 16. Okay? So, taas tayo para makita. So, ang gagawin natin dito, i-factor naman natin ito, squaring the binomial. Okay? So, magiging isang x, tapos minus, yung factor ng 9 is 3, factor ng 16 is 4, then squared, equals 25 over 16. Okay? Pagkatapos dyan, extracting the square root naman tayo. Alisin natin itong square, lipat natin sa kabila. So, x minus 3 over 4 equals the square root or positive, negative, the square root of 25 over 16. Okay, tuloy tayo dito sa baba. X minus 3 over 4 equals, pwede mong idiretso, pwede rin hindi. Okay, positive, negative, square root of 25 over square root of 16. Pwede mong idiretso, ha, pwede rin hindi. So, x minus 3/4 equals positive, negative, yung square root of 25 is 5 over square root of 16 is 4. Okay? Then, pwede na natin itong i-separate. Si x minus, separate natin, equals, transpose natin si negative 3/4 so the right side. So, this is positive 3/4. Separate natin yung positive, negative. So, positive, una, 5 over 4. Yung isa, dito ko sa taas, ha, x equals 3/4 minus 5 over 4. Okay? So, dito may space pa kasi. So, x equals, so, since this is a similar fraction, so therefore, ang LCD natin dito ay 4. Tapos, i-add natin yung nasa taas, yung numerator, so 3 plus 5. Okay? So, dito sa taas, para makakuha pa. So, x equals 8 over 4. So, therefore, yung isang x ay equals 2. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Yung isa, x equals, so, similar fraction pa rin yan. So, ang LCD natin dito ay 4. Then, 3 minus 5. Then, x equals, 3 minus 5 is negative 2. Okay, negative 2 yan. Erase ko muna, ha, sandali lang. Erase natin. Uy, nangyari. No? Nangyari. Wait. Sandali lang, ha. So, tuloy natin, x minus 5 is negative 2 over 4. So, x is equal, i-reduce natin to into lowest term, divide natin by 2, divide din natin by 2. So, negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1, 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, so ito na yung final answer natin. Okay, so maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay po, so maraming salamat and God bless.